Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Zee5 app on your TV and playing the title you want. This is necessary because audio options appear only during playback. Once the video begins, press the Remotes options or menu button to surface on-screen controls. Make sure your TV and Zee5 app are updated so the audio menu shows all available tracks. Otherwise, you may see limited choices. This step gets you to the audio selection area quickly, so you can change language, stereo, or alternate tracks. Once the audio menu is open, navigate to the audio or language submenu using your remote's arrow keys. You want to see a list of available tracks. You choose between language tracks and audio formats like 2, 0, or 5. 1. Pick the one that matches your speaker setup so you get correct channels and clarity. After selecting, press OK or Confirm so Zee5 applies the choice. Then resume playback immediately to listen and verify that dialogue, surround effects, or dubbed audio are correct. To finish, make sure the chosen audio remains active for the full program. This prevents unexpected switches. If you don't see audio options, close and reopen Zee5 or reboot the TV. Sometimes the app needs a fresh session. Also check your TV or AVR audio settings for pass-through, PCM, or Dolby settings because they can block certain tracks. Change them if needed. If the correct track is absent or audio is out of sync, contact Zee5 support, but try a quick restart first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.